Most people say they want to make $10,000 a month. But almost nobody actually understands what that really requires. They think it's luck. They think it's talent. Or worse, they think it's motivation. But if motivation worked, everyone watching this video would already be rich. The truth is, most people are walking down a path that mathematically cannot get them to $10,000 a month, no matter how hard they work. And today, I want to show you why, and what actually works instead. The traditional path looks safe. School, good grades, degree, job,
Promotion.
repeat. But here's the uncomfortable math. Even a good salary spreads your income across time, not value. You are paid for hours, not results. So even if you become highly skilled, you still hit a ceiling. And the scary part? That ceiling usually arrives before freedom does. People who make $10,000 plus per month consistently don't think in jobs. They think in skills, systems, and leverage. And no, this doesn't mean crypto, scams, or overnight success. It means understanding one simple rule. Income grows when your effort becomes repeatable. That's it. And this brings us to the real path. Most people consume content like entertainment. Successful people consume content like research. Before learning anything, you ask, can this skill make money? Are people already paying for it? Can I get good at this in 6 to 12 months? Video editing, sales, design, automation, copywriting, coding. You don't need passion, you need demand. And instead of watching everything, you extract principles. Not stories. Not motivation, principles. This is where dreams die, because applying means being bad at first, looking stupid, charging low, failing publicly. But here's the secret. Failure is data. Every mistake teaches you what actually matters. And once you can solve one real problem for one real person, you're no longer learning, you're earning. 5 clients paying $2,000 isn't luck. It's math. Here's the part nobody tells you. The biggest money isn't in doing. It's in documenting. When you teach what you're already doing, you build authority. You attract opportunities. You create leverage. Courses, communities, coaching, subscriptions. You stop trading time for money and start building income that shows up without you being present. This path isn't easy, but neither is waking up 10 years from now, realizing you played it safe and stayed stuck. The question isn't, can you make $10,000 a month? The real question is, how long are you willing to delay starting? That choice is completely yours.